Oh, fuck. It's fucking Valentine's Day, bro. My fucking guts hurt. My heart hurts. I just need a hot bag straight to the fucking aorta. Nobody fucking... Ma! Where are you?
What is it, Michael Anthony?
What are you? You up there fucking dad because you love each other?
I'm up here working hard to pay bills to get you into rehab so you can be clean.
Fuck! You want to be my Valentine?
I can't be your Valentine.
Fuck! Nobody
You
wants
used to be my little Valentine. Now all you love is those bags of smack.
Fuck you, Mom.
I catch you with those little bags and they have Vladimir Putin's head on them. I tell you stop.
My fucking guts. Oh, God damn it.
Just shit together.
Yeah, the fucking door's ringing. Look at the door, you stupid cunt.
How can I help you? Who are you?
Hello.
Do you have the right house? Julio, it's some brown guy.
Hello, mommy. Are you Michael Anthony mother?
I am. I'm Mary Elizabeth.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Michael.
You know this guy? Michael, you know this guy?
Oh, my God. Oh, my God. He's here.
Who is he?
It's Julio.
It's just Julio.
Julio's here for Valentine's Day.
Oh.
He loves me. He loves my guts. Papi, I don't love you guts. I love you money, motherfucker. So give me money now, and you can have this bundle, and I can get the fuck out of here.
Get the fuck out of my house. Get the fuck out of my house.
Hey, here's your fucking
You get out of here.
You fucking
Get out of here, you plantain.
Fucking sucio, blanco
Get out
sucio,
of here.
fucking gringo sucio.
Got my house smelling like adobo.
The tigres son
Oh
asquerosos.
my God, go see your secret family.
The tigres.
Get out of here, Blue Lives Matter. Oh my God.
Yo, todo tipo no se baña.
Oh my God, he almost knocked over my statue of Eli Manning. Get out of here.
Mierda, esta casa huele a
Michael Anthony,
toto.
stop having your little cockroaches come over here.
Hey, la madre tuya.
My kitchen smells like La Bamba now.
Michael Anthony, I have to tell you mother something. Mami.
What?
Ese toto está descuidado.
What is that?
Ese toto está descuidado. Me quité.
Why are you speaking Univision to me?
Michael, I'm gonna
get out of here.
I'm gonna call you later, okay?
Get out of here, Menudo.
Take you fucking bundle. Get out of here.
Build that wall.
Thank you.
Build that wall.
I feel so good.
Michael Anthony, go downstairs.
Oh, yeah, I'm going downstairs, all right. I'm going down. Oh, I'm going down down this tunnel. Oh, boy. Oh,
I swear to God, Michael Anthony.
Oh, so good. Oh, yeah.
Michael Anthony, I'm not even going to give you Narcan this time.
Shut up, you fucking...
I'm her own. Do the drop.
Fuck. Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day to all of you.
You're listening to The Audio Art, the most dangerous podcast in the universe. Live from Milk Studios. Do the drop.
Episode 146.
Damn, that should win an Emmy.
That was good. That was
a Lifetime movie.
We be. Listen, I don't want to brag. I don't want to boast, but we are some thespians.
Is it?
And I know what that word means. It's not a misspelling on X videos. Thespian stepmother meets daughter. Nasty. Live from the jam room in Mero Studios.
La leche.
La leche. That's right. If you're lactose intolerant, listen to this, and then you're gonna feel their stomach go like.
Yeah.
And then you're gonna be like, uh-oh.
Yeah.
And you're gonna feel a little nervous. You're gonna be walking around, and you're gonna want to fart.
Yeah.
And you fart a little bit. It's like, you're like, uh-oh.
Oh.
But then the fart is a little wet.
Oh.
And you're like,
uh-oh.
So then you're like, oh shit. So you just keep your cheeks together till you get to a toilet.
And then you get to the toilet and you're like, straight up.
And then you just drop a bowl of queso into the bowl. That's right. The Lactose Intolerant Chronicles coming to the CW.
That's right. You know
coming to the CW. A big city girl moved to the city. It's just her guitar, and her lactate pills.
That's her ukulele. Excuse me.
Her ukulele. And she's at NYU.
Of course.
No.
Tisch school.
Not NYU. Because everyone's in NYU. What about the less represented schools? She's in Columbia.
She's in Columbia.
That's right.
I went to Sarah Lawrence.
Sarah Lawrence.
Sarah Lawrence. It's a daycare for adults.
Wow. What's the Sarah Lawrence?
Slander.
Is that your rival school?
No, not at all. I'm straight CUNY all day. Shout out Hunter. Shout out to BCC.
What's the beef with Sarah? Who do you know went to Sarah Lawrence?
Damn, I forgot. But they told me that they had a room that was like not a meditation. It was like basically like I'm sad room, like where you could go if you're sad. Or like,
wow. I mean,
I'm like, yo, this is what I'm paying $100,000 a year for a sad room.
I mean, everyone wants to be a sad.
I want fucking laptops. Fuck.
College is wild expensive.
Yo,
have you did the Bird Box challenge and decided which 2 of your kids are not going to college?
I'm like, yo, whoever's
all 4 of them can't go.
I'm like, yo, listen, man.
You gotta sit them down and be like, yo.
I'm just talking to rich people who like donate to colleges and be like, hey, Northwestern, huh? Mm-hmm. Oh, you're on the board, huh?
So you're trying to get your kids a free ride?
Yeah, that's what I can do. Unless we just make a gazillion dollars, and I'm like, it's $100K a year. It's like work.
That's the problem. You're not thinking right because you're like, oh, let me think how to get my kids a free ride. Light work. No.
Yeah.
Start your own college. Teach your kids.
Yeah.
If you can homeschool your kids at like elementary school, you can't homeschool. You can't home college your kids.
TTD, Teach Devils Academy.
Me and you, we will start a different world.
Wow.
I know my mama loves me. I could be Mr. Gaines. Like your daughter come in hungry, I'll be like, girl, you better study for that calculus test.
That's a fact, Jack.
Mm-hmm. I have a hairnet on.
That's just the facts.
We get Jasmine Guy to come back as the dean.
Yo, let's call her up right now.
Just Mero's kids struggling this shit. They call it home. You play the Cosby role. You got the cigar. Like, I don't got that money.
I don't got that shit. Sorry. You're going to have to pay $900 for that bio book on your own.
She's like, oh, shit. She's like, Mr. Gaines, Papa Mero won't give me any money for tuition. I'm like, you're going to have to work here at the pit. All right?
Mero Jr. just come in flipping sunglasses up like, God damn. Ain't that shit?
Who put adobo in these hamburgers? A different world coming to the CW. We're working on a lot of teen fiction now.
Martinez Men Academy University.
A lot of touching moments where you gotta come up there and like touch your son. Like you gotta pick school or Dykeman. You can't do both.
Can't do both.
He's like, you did it both, Dad.
Come on. You hit the hooks and graduated. Why can't I?
It was a different time.
It was different, man.
It was different. I have regrets.
Is your Santa one of those regrets? And he's like, oh. Is your Santa really my mother?
It's like, to be continued. I just come out like, oh, I got on the little Ron Johnson pork pie hat. I'm like, oh boy. Mero Jr. stepped in it now. Tune in next week, y'all. Everyone was like, I thought this was a black show. We're coming on the Afro Latino channel. Afro Latina channel. AFL.
AFL.
Down. There's a taco with an afro.
Oh, no.
That's right. Y'all couldn't hit this episode, okay? Episode 146. Anyone can get it. I'll keep that thing on me. And by that thing, I mean slander for other races and ethnicities.
Island Wars. Yo, somebody asked me,
wheel up.
What was the West Indies power ranking? And they were like, yo, if Haiti's not in the top 5, yo, I won't smoke. I was like, bro.
Haiti in the top 5?
In the top 5 West Indies power rankings. Shout out my souls.
Nah, shout out to Haiti. Nah, Haiti. I don't really have a power ranking because I know who number 1 is. I know who the Yankees of the West Indies is.
Yeah, the Dominican Republic.
The inventor of white pants, mesh shirts, and homophobia. That's right, Jamaica in the house. That's right. Take all your other islands and put them in a shipping barrel and send it out your international airport. Oh, I'm sorry, you don't have one. We're wildin'. Every episode we're wildin'.
That's what the people want. That's what the people want, goddammit.
Okay? That's what you want.
Sherry's in here sweating.
Sherry gave up. She's like, fuck this. She's like, fuck this.
She got her AirPods in and shit.
She on Monster.com right now, like, shit. She's like, man, I'll just start a food truck.
Like, maybe,
fuck this.
Maybe Chris Brown got a
I don't know. That should be easier. She's like, is Liam Nielsen hiring? Today is a beautiful day to kill a black. That's the Pixar movie that won't be made. Also, he just randomly dropped that while promoting a movie?
Yeah.
Okay. Fair. See, shout out to Sherry because she does media trading. If your people tell you, I don't know. I feel like a good PR agent doesn't have to tell you like, yo, when they ask you about your movie, maybe you don't mention try to kill like a certain ethnic group 40 years ago.
I'm just gonna run through what we're gonna talk about.
What can I talk about?
Just don't talk about the last time you committed a hate crime.
Okay.
Just that's it.
You sure?
That's literally it. That's all you have to do.
I had a funny. I was gonna open with.
Yeah. No.
One time, like, okay, like we were by the southern border and we saw this guy. So when I was kicking him in the head.
Yeah. No. We're gonna just cross that out.
Okay.
Write it down.
Okay.
Write it down.
All right.
You got it. Now put a huge X through it.
Okay.
Fuck no on the bottom.
Okay.
And then circle the fuck no.
Okay.
Okay.
I just get on the panel and I was like, what? They're like, what was your movie experience like? It was like, it was a rush. I haven't had a rush like that since that time I set a black family's house on fire. They do this at the TCAs before us. We're like, yo,
goddamn.
Up next, Showtime's new show, Desus and Mero. We're like, no, come on. You just said he murdered someone.
Yeah. Put We Network up there or some shit. I don't know.
This question's for the kid Mero. We're like,
You over there?
have you ever committed any hate crimes? And if so, could you tell us when and where?
No, actually, I've never committed a hate crime ever. I mean, like, if I committed crimes, but not like fueled by hate.
Yeah, we've committed like cute crimes.
Yeah, cute crimes, like selling drugs and shit.
Okay, I wouldn't
like,
say that. I was gonna say like turnstile evasion.
Oh yeah. Yeah. No, not selling drugs. No. Never.
By selling drugs, he means we were selling Motrin to women in pain.
Yeah, right.
Actually, no, you wouldn't sell them. You just give them away.
Yeah, that's what it is. You know what I'm saying?
All right, we should stop that. We'll edit that part out.
Yeah.
Some crimes are like. My whole thing
whimsical.
My whole thing is if it's a crime that you told someone on a date, what their reaction is.
True.
Okay? If you're just like, yo, I once caught a DUI. People are like, oh, it happens. You know, do you still drink and drive?
Sometimes
No. You're like, I learned my lesson. I would never do that
I went
again.
to a course. Like, I got points on my license. My insurance went up. I feel bad.
Okay.
Like, I could have really hurt somebody. Now I've learned my lesson. I will never do that
Remorse.
again. Yes.
Retribution.
Yes.
You've learned from it.
Yes.
If I'm on a date, I'm like, yo, I can't be around your cousins because I'm a sex offender.
Okay.
I mean,
yeah.
does the date end there, or is it like, well, explain? If you have like Jesse Williams eyes, if he comes to, we'll explain.
Jesse Williams could go on a date and be like, "Hi, I just murdered my parents."
Jesse,
Yeah,
tell me more.
with my hands. I have their eyeballs in my pocket right now. You want to see them?
You are just so adorable. I could just eat you with a spoon. Shout out to the homie Jesse
Look,
Williams.
their eyes are blue like mine.
Dark.
Shout out to Jesse. We saw him at
Shout out to Jesse.
one of
Yeah,
Tommy
man.
Ultra's famous dinners.
Yeah, shout out to Tommy Ultra, who's basically like puts together these like the Rat Pack.
His
every time.
dinners are basically like what the old Bing Crosby Christmas specials used to be.
Yeah.
Like you open the door, another guest just walks
It's
through
like,
and shit. You're
hey,
like, oh shit.
Hey, it's Shaquille O'Neal. Like, what the
Oh
fuck?
shit, ding dong. Oh wow, it's Hulk Hogan. Just Nancy Reagan comes out with 2 bottles of Regal. Like,
Like,
hey.
we're
I usually
shaking-
say no, just say no, but Ron's sleeping.
Today I just say see. Get it out, pull up.
Nancy Reagan's famous slogan: "Pour up." Mr. T's on. She's on Mr. T's lap, like
Straight up. Oh shit.
oh man.
Oh man, Travis Scott.
Travis Scott. That was a good album.
Yeah.
Astor was a good album.
Astor was a
and
great
his,
album.
you know what?
Still
His
jamming.
child is cute and looks like him. Because remember in the beginning they were saying it was a bodyguard,
Yeah.
which is fucked up.
Yeah, it is.
Like if you have a kid and people like the blogs and shit saying like it's someone else's baby.
Yeah. I mean, I'm guilty. I said it. I was like, baby look a little Asian-y.
Little Asian-y.
Look a little Asian.
Okay, my Jamaican auntie.
Look Asian-y.
They make
Look at them.
their adjectives. They just take whatever you are and
put
add
E.
E on the end of it. It smelled Dominican-y.
Yeah, smells Dominican-y in here. Yeah, you're using that sazon.
A little Money House Blessing. People still using Money House Blessing in 2019?
I all day to this day.
Right? I feel attacked because there was a Twitter. I was gonna say a Twitter. There was a tweet that said, "Y'all heating up Fabuloso on the stove to make your houses smell good, and then wondering why your kids can't read." And I was like, "Wow, wow!"
I will have you know that I
Let
read
them
at a
know,
very,
Mero.
I read at a very high level. Excuse me. perfect score on the DRP. Hello.
Wow.
Excuse me. And my mom boiled mad fucking mistoling in the crib. All right? So don't come for my neck, stupid, because I could read mad good.
Okay, I just like to point out the scam and the lie perpetrated by the New York City Board of Education. How are all of us, every person that went to school in New York City, scored in the top 10% on these tests? You have never been a person that was like, yeah, I was in the 70th percentile. No. Everyone was in the top 10 of the city. They sent us all the same letter. It was probably some shit like to uplift our spirits.
No, you know what's crazy? Wild
problematic.
That scam that they sent you of the National Junior Honor Society shit,
yeah.
and it's like, yo, if you pay like $20 and
You
they
get
put
your name in a list,
and you just get like a yearbook with like mad random
with
kids from like
all the
Orlando.
other people that paid for it.
the shit.
Yeah, my parents saw that shit and nipped it in the bud.
Yeah,
my parents, there's lots of scams at school, and my mother knew of all of them.
Oh, yeah.
Here's the scams in order, according by my mother. Class pictures.
Scam.
Because she was like, I already know what you look like. I was like, I get it.
My mom was like, yo, I'm good. I was like, nigga, I just take the shit that's just proof and take it to the fucking grand
My
union.
mother would just buy the picture of the class. She was like, so you can remember them niggas. The ring you buy in high school, did you get a high school ring?
Oh, yeah.
No high school ring. Sorry.
Scam.
My parents were like, no, you get a wedding ring. That's it. What else? The scam. Candy orders, any kind of candy sales? Book sales?
Scam. Fundraisers? Scam.
Why are we buying books to the library?
Excuse me, why is the public school raising funds? Don't you use tax money? Scam.
Scams.
Scam.
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 Scam. Scam.
Scam. Scam, 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 scam,
Do you think-
scam, 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 scam.
Ding 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 ding. For 4 years, that was the national anthem of Jamaica. I swear to God. We at the Olympics like. Shout out to ableist slur frog.
Yo, was that a meme?
It started as something. It started as a meme, and then it became. I think it started in Europe, and it just got catchy as shit. Like,
was that the first Baby Shark? That was the original. That was Baby Shark. He's sitting in his living room and like, Beth, Baby Shark. I'm the fucking original Crazy Frog.
the first Baby Shark was probably some racist song. Something like "Get the Niggers Out" or some shit. He was like, "I love it."
Throw the niggas
out the world,
niggas out the world.
There's a color, do 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 do. There's a color, do 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 do. Take your shoes, do 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 do. Take like. Because you got to remember, like, at one point, America was broke.
Yeah.
Like, the Depression was there.
Yeah, Dust Bowl.
Niggas were selling their kids.
Yeah.
But you know what niggas were still? Racist.
Yeah,
right?
boy.
Niggas had nothing. Niggas was eating dirt, but they was like,
to this day.
it was like, hey, nigga.
Hey.
I'm like, we eating dirt.
Bro, we both
poor.
eating dirt.
We poor, but I'm white. Now, if you don't mind, I'm going to go to the porno store. And by porno store, I'm going to look at a photo of some ankles.
Ooh, ankles. Ooh.
If pornography was like ankles, like...
Imagine
seeing someone naked. Like, that was like doing straight coke.
Oh, my God. Fam, that's like speedballing.
Like, yo.
That's like sniffing coke and then shooting
That's
dope
like going
right
from
right
weed
after.
to like straight heroin in your eyeball. Like, relax. You know, those people, the first time they saw a naked body was like,
Yo.
and you know, like back then in the 1920s when you came, like a big black screen came on and it was like, come.
Wow. Kablowy.
Joink. Her eyes got big like, wah, wah.
Charlie Chaplin was like, whoa. Nigga spun his cane. And the Marx Brothers.
Nigga's like, and then the house falls, but the frame just falls directly over you. Just standing there with the wild erection.
Charlie Chaplin didn't get no pussy, bro.
Nah, Charlie Chaplin was burning it up out here.
Yeah?
Charlie Chaplin was like a billionaire back then, but he had like $200.
But he didn't get no ass in the movie.
Yo, you seen him out of the getup?
No, we're not talking to you, Victor. You're not even on camera. What kind of look at his fucking pirate radio setup over there, America.
Yo, that hand is wrapped up because this shit's work.
Look at Good Morning Vietnam over here. He got his own podcast running.
Okay, all right. Deflect from the issue at hand. Look up Charlie Chaplin without the makeup on. Okay?
Oh shit, he's Dominican. Charlie Chaplin was Dominican?
Oh, no, him too?
What?
Yeah. What?
Charlie might have been doing numbers with his little spinning bow tie.
Charlie Chaplin.
Oh,
look
shit.
at his hair. He was definitely Dominican.
Is that Ryan Gosling?
Yo.
Exactly.
Charlie Chaplin died in 1977?
Yo.
Oh, I thought he died in like 1910. I
12.
don't know when he
I
lived.
thought that nigga died in Normandy. Yo, the fuck?
You said Normandy, and I thought you were talking about the singer, Normandy. You better work.
Yo. You better work.
Do. What was Charlie Chaplin's net worth when he died?
$28.
He had 50 million.
Nah.
He had 50 million, and this is back when like you could buy a state for like $10.
What? Why didn't he just buy like the NBA?
That was back when the NBA was like what? It was like what? Like, the NBA was all white guys. The price of the NBA was like 70,000.
70,000? He's like, I bought me 2 NBAs.
When you won a championship, you just got like a free carton of milk.
Man, see?
Shit was whack.
You won. Champions. Yeah. He's some farm fresh eggs, see? Man.
When you won the championship, you got like a fucking ranch home, like fucking Trenton.
You get a wheelchair for your kid with polio. Heard your kid has polio. Chevrolet would like to present you with his brand new wheelchair.
You got like a war ration for radishes. Here.
Yeah, man. I know your wife's over there making missiles and shit like that, but here's some warm milk.
Oh, whoa! I think I heard a German airplane. Turn off the lights and be real quiet.
Get under your desk.
Oh, I'm right into the fallout shelter. See.
I was just to trip out because like Lehman, I don't remember if it was Lehman High School or Lehman College. It's a fallout shelter.
No, every high school at one point was made to be a fallout shelter.
Oh, okay, cool. So
Get the fuck out of here.
Yeah.
So there's a missile coming, so I'm running to Evander Childs.
Yeah.
You
All
think?
right. Yeah.
I'll bring my box cutter.
I'll take my chances with the bomb.
Exactly.
Fuck out of here. Terrell and them, I got beef with Terrell and them.
Oh, shit.
They go to Evander, I go to Clinton B. We got beef. You know what I'm saying? I'm go over there. And Truman is over there. Walton is over there. It's like fucking Game of Thrones. Nigga. Just, everybody buck 50, everybody.
Oh, wow. Evander Childs was closed.
When? Damn.
So sad.
Why would they close?
It was labeled an impact school in 2008.
Wow.
And phased out not long after.
Yeah, damn.
They turned it into 6 schools, so it's like Mad Academies.
Yeah, that's how they do it.
That shit is whacked out. You know what? I think they did that to stop on gang activity because you can't bang on another school and be like, yo, EV up in this bitch.
Yeah,
Because now you got to be like Bronx Academy of Health Services.
Yo,
Bronx Society of Technology and Hospitality Services.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what it is.
Yo, you know what I'm saying? Yo, Bronx Restaurant Depot Training Center. Yo, you know what I'm saying?
You know what it is? Gomper Society for Bus Repair and HVAC. Real niggas on. They don't even give them good names, like the High School for Computers and Technology.
Fam,
might as well just call it the High School for Computer shit.
Computer shit, my
Computers
nigga.
and stuff, nigga.
Fuck, you gonna drop out anyway? Who cares?
Right? Teachers don't even teach you. They using like cardboard computers. The saddest thing I ever remember in school, because of budget cuts, my piano class didn't have pianos, so they gave us printouts of pianos. And you had to paste it onto cardboard. And so every day we'd bring like our cardboard piano into the piano and place the thing and do like this. And I was like, this ain't life.
Damn.
This ain't gotta be a better way than this.
Fam, listen, they completely got rid of arts.
Oh, yeah.
In the school I worked at. And the
Like,
fucked up shit was like, Who? There was a ceramics class that the kids really loved because they got to make like pottery and like shit like that and put it in the kiln, and it was like I did a thing and I had pride in my work.
Just mad crooked ashtrays coming home and shit.
Hell yeah, man! Fucked up coffee mugs.
You're
and
like,
shit.
here, mom. And mom's like, what the
fuck is that? Is that a rabbit? Nigga? Like, no, it's a ceramic. It's a vase, mom.
My sister once made a vase for my mother that was so hideous. My mother refused to use it, and my sister had like tonsillitis.
You said vase, and I said vase. You think you're better than me? Because you say vase.
I am. I sit in the back seat in Green Book, and you sit in the front seat, you piece of shit Italian monster. All right, you human fucking meatball. You fucking gabagool. You fucking tortellini with rice driving. City Island going, Rangers watching, Path Train, Miller Lite drinking, getting off in Babylon, rooting for Hofstra, piece of Italian. On Rhinelander Avenue.
Every time it's cool until you say Hofstra. Whoa. Hey, buddy.
Too far.
Hey.
Too far.
St. John's, pal. All right?
Why don't you go to a fucking Islanders game, huh? Huh? How about that?
Yeah. That's the
Yeah.
real hockey team.
Okay.
All right? Fucking fazoo.
Does no one watch Hofstra?
I mean, I don't know. I guess.
Not since Speedy Claxton.
Whoa! Woo! Goddamn! Woo! Woo!
Also, I'm high, so I keep forgetting he's there. So every time he talks, it scares the shit out of me. And you can probably see it on camera.
Yo, play that gun cock real quick for me. Yeah. All right.
You know what I'm saying?
I'm always lurking.
You know what I'm saying? He's always there.
Wow.
You know what I'm saying?
Victor with the toolie.
That's right.
It's not right, man.
Just had to have that in there for no reason.
I mean, it works.
It works. It always works.
It always works. Like a secret deodorant. Strong enough for a man.
But made for a woman.
Problem is, if you use secret deodorant, you smell like a woman, you're going to get weird looks on the train. Sometimes you creep out a girl's house and you don't got no deodorant and you don't want to stink. And
you throw on that.
You throw it on, and now your
pink
armpits smell like fucking fields full of daffodils and shit.
Grapefruit essence, my nigga. It is what it is.
You got to do the real shit. You gotta do the real shit. Just get some gain.
Yeah.
And just rub it on your
armpits. Yeah.
Like that.
You know what I'm saying? What I do is I just squeeze lemon juice on tinfoil and rub it in my armpits until they bleed. That way the lemon juice really absorbs. You know what I'm saying? Into my glands.
You know what? Shout out to Jesse Smollett. The one he got. Was it Jesse that got attacked?
Yeah.
Jesse, yeah.
Jesse.
Shout out to Jesse.
Shout out to him. He's a homie. Because of that attack, I did not know subways were 24/7.
Yeah.
We learned that in LA.
Yeah.
Did you guys know that?
There's some
In Chicago?
All over the world, all over the nation. There's 24/7.
It's like
subways.
McDonald's. Like there's some 24-hour McDonald's and some closed.
But is service so limited that is it effectively closed? You know what? Let me stop. This is about Jesse. I'm sorry.
No. Like this is a popular. There's places and you can. It's like fully open. I do remember in LA one time when we were in like the shitty part of LA. I think it was with you, Victor, and like the only thing open was a Subway because we were looking for beer.
Oh yeah. When we first got there,
And that shit looked like fucking Walking Dead by the Ace Hotel.
I like
my
it out.
God.
That was the first time. Yo, if you haven't been to LA, you know those alleyways that are super wide.
Yeah.
That's not for the movies. It's really like that.
Yeah.
And there are real actual veterans in there that have been employed by these social and government services that should be providing for them. They're really up in there with the big ass shopping carts.
Nigga just walking over them like, thank you for the service.
Thank you for service.
Thank you for service.
But don't be looking at a nigga crazy because it's midnight, all right? Like, there's bounds to my generosity and to my sympathy and my empathy.
Wow.
I was low-key nervous, I'm not going to lie.
What's the wildest city we've been to?
Probably, I would say Baltimore. Like wild, like
As far
It's not Chicago?
as far as like.
I've got to say like downtown LA. No, the San
wild
Fran.
and what's
Not Oakland. San Francisco. San Francisco easily.
Oh yeah.
And for us from the Bronx to say shit was wild because it wasn't wild like gun violence. It was just wild like, my nigga, is that human shit in the street?
Like, what are you doing?
Like, yo,
This is
no, and it wasn't like
5-star hotel. Why are you taking a dump in the lobby?
and it wasn't like one pile of shit on one block.
Oh no.
It was like that shit was like the fucking that's Google Maps in San Francisco. It's like turn left.
Turn left at the pile of Dookie.
When you come to the runny shit, bend to the left.
Yo.
And then they just got scooters everywhere.
Yeah.
Mad homeless people.
Scooter everywhere. Skirt.
And then like mad niggas with Teslas and like $50
It makes
million.
no sense.
It makes no sense.
It makes no sense.
That's
at
how
all.
New York's gonna be soon.
I'm telling you.
how New
I said
York's
it
gonna
before
be.
in the podcast. I was like, yo, San Francisco is like it was Post Malone was a city.
Wow.
You know what I'm saying? Like,
Wow.
they got mad money over there. Everything's mad expensive, but you're dusty as fuck and you look like you stink.
Wow. Wow, the Post Malone slander. Like, is it slander?
He's a rock star. I don't want to get inside his car because it smells like motherfucking caca.
See, the first time I heard Post Malone Rockstar, like I couldn't really hear what was being said. So I was like, I heard mumbling, and they always played it at my barbershop. So I thought it was like a Spanish song.
Sniffing cocaine.
I didn't know that's what you were saying. I did not know what you were saying. I was like, wow. I was
Yo,
like,
this bachata's hitting.
I was like, yo, what is? I was like, Spotify was like, you don't know what song this is? I was like, who is this? Willie Bobo? Like, this is great. Like, what is?
Yo, Romeo Santos really got
Killing
range.
this shit, man. Shout out to my barbershop. I haven't been there in a while. I know they hate me. See, that's the thing, because like I just gotta go there and tip niggas now, even though I get my hair cut like at Showtime.
Showtime.
New show coming February 21st, 11 p.m. Only on Showtime. Desus and Mero, number one show late night.
Tune in, stupid. You know what I mean?
With a special guest, we can't tell you who it is.
You know what I mean? And also some other shit that we can't tell you about because, you know what I'm saying? So why we even mentioning it?
Actually, you know what? Fuck it. I'm gonna tell you who the special guest is. Steve Mnuchin, the treasurer.
Oh.
Yeah, we're gonna touch $100 bills. Yeah.
Pow, pow,
His wife
pow.
is bringing the gloves. Yeah. We're gonna sit on top of the treasury building. We're gonna sit on top of the Federal Reserve and watch eclipse. Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? We out here.
But yeah, you gotta stay cool with your barber because like I used to go to my barber all the time and now I don't go that often. And you know, like hood niggas. Yeah. If they not fucking with you, they got time to think.
Out of sight, out of mind.
And they start thinking, and he'll be like,
Oh, this nigga think you
Are you
too
getting
good.
money?
Oh, you too good now.
Okay.
You get your haircut on set. Excuse me. Yo, we got the TV nigga in here.
Okay.
We got TV nigga in here. Yo, give it up for TV nigga. He be coming in here when he fucking feel like it.
That's right.
When he don't got his own personal barber on his set. He want to come in here and mingle with us broke boys.
Sorry, you hanging with us poor people.
Oh, shit.
Matter Tyrone, lock the door.
Lock the door. Let's
like,
fuck this nigga up.
Like, when you hear people lock the door, you got the cape on, you're like,
You got the half shaving with a hot towel on your face, like, oh shit, what the fuck?
I've always thought if I'm getting murdered in a barbershop, it's when the hot towel's on my face.
Oh yeah,
that's when it gets you.
That's the mafia.
That's when it gets you.
Yeah, that's the mafia shit.
Because you know what?
Straight razor.
Nothing's worse than hot towels on the door, hot towels on your face, and you hear the door open. And you hear they're like, "Hey, what's up?" But it's like my food is like, "Hey, what's up? What's going on?"
It's a nigga right there.
Actually, no. What's worse than the hot towel on the face is the hot towel on the face, and your barber decides he wants to get in on a game of fucking live 20K. And you start going.
Ooh, okay.
Start scratching around your neck.
I mean, it's not cooling down because you microwaved it. Nigga, come back. You got a chemical peel.
Well, he takes the hot towel off your face, and all your skin comes off with it.
You look like fucking Red Skull after that shit. Like look like fucking Two-Face.
If you go to a barbershop and they don't put Noxzema all over your face, OD stupid, you're not a real hood barbershop.
Nah, you really not.
Also, by the way, no one who does skincare uses that much Noxzema.
Nobody.
Noxzema's like, yo, put a dab.
Yeah, nah.
Niggas be putting that shit on like fucking guacamole at Chipotle. Like, no,
hold that. Oh, you want extra guac?
Noxzema, they call it knock.
Yo, my old barbershop was so hood that they used Suave conditioner.
Wow.
Like, niggas put
I think they should be using it whatever's around and shit.
Yo, niggas put Suave conditioner on my face and a hot towel. I was like, yo, fam, no. This is not like, I want to feel like I'm in a spa.
Oh, man.
Like, damn, fam. Just. I
went to a barbershop and they had like a new guy. He was like straight from DR. He spoke no English. And like he would just sit there and like watch like some weird videos on his phone and shit. Like he was always like fucking with his clippers and like fixing them and adjusting the blade. People who don't cut people's hair are constantly fixing the blade. I have no idea. You're not using the shit.
Yeah, listen.
You know what I'm saying? Get off the court. You're not shooting. Your man took the main clippers he had and proceeds to start shaving his leg hairs.
Wow.
Everyone in the barbershop was like, yo, he wildin'.
You know what's wild?
Is that so? Do Dominican men shave their legs?
Look, no.
You've never shaved your legs?
No, I never shaved my legs.
Oh, okay.
True story. Okay. I mean, I shaved like my back and shit.
Yeah.
Like, cause you know, I don't go to the beach and be wild. Like,
you
have that scraggly.
Yeah.
Like, if I want to have body hair, I want the shit to grow in uniform.
To be fair,
you know what I'm saying?
Mero's not a liar because remember when Mero came in looking like the wild pedophile because he had no facial hair?
Yeah.
Because he shaved his facial hair to have the even tan.
Yeah.
Which I think was the most preposterous and stupidest thing I've ever heard. But it makes sense.
I did. I don't want to come in and then the barber fuck up your line and then he got to go a little bit lower and then you look like a fucking tres leches cake out here and shit. You know what I'm saying, nigga?
The best part of that.
I'm looking like a tiramisu out here.
The best part of that. The best part of Mero shaving his facial hair was we had a photo shoot directly when we came back. And when we got on that set, everyone's face was like, who was that? I was like, that's Mero.
What?
They was like, why'd you bring your uncle?
Motherfuckers just like, did Will Smith get diabetes?
He was like, I'm from Miami. Ha. Hey kids, brush your teeth. Listen to your parents.
Oh,
Are you have any? You got any vacations coming up?
Yeah, I was trying to go to. Well, I'm gonna do Florida again with the kids.
Florida's not a vacation.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
That's what I said in that. That's what I said with that.
Are you going to Disney World though?
We already did that.
Yeah.
Maybe do it again because last time it was only 2 kids and I was 4. So
Listen,
maybe bring all 4.
Talk to my parents because my parents went on vacation with 4 kids. So you want like the wild, dirt cheap? Do you want to spend less than $5,000 for the whole vacation?
Yo, my pops did that shit. I think I'm pretty sure he invented like a $500 vacation.
Mm-hmm.
I'm like, nigga, we're driving to Florida.
Oh, we drove.
I was like, what?
We drove.
What? He's like, no, we're gonna drive. You know what I'm saying? He said all this shit to me in Spanish.
Mm-hmm.
He's like, we're gonna drive there. I have a friend in Virginia.
Mm-hmm.
The friend in Virginia was our cousin who was on a business trip, and basically it was Airbnb-ing a house for work.
Yeah,
and we just crashed there. And then you got like his people from his company coming in, like, yo, what the fuck is going on here? Be like, are you trafficking children? Like, why? Like, this is a computer company. Be like, why do you have mad children in our work house?
Well, I remember one day. It was like my parents were like, "Oh, when Disney World, you're a kid, you don't know what the fuck that means." Yeah. So one day I'm sleeping. It's like 1 a.m. My father's like, "Wake up! All right, let's go. Get in the car."
Yeah.
And I was like, "Why?
Why are we leaving at 3 in the morning?
1 a.m. What the fuck? I was like, "Is this a refugee situation? Are we going back to Jamaica? What's going on?"
That's what
I'm like mad lost. I'm mad sleepy. My sister's crying and shit. All I remember, and what song kept playing? Remember The Secret Garden? The Secret Garden with like I'll Be Sure and all them niggas.
Oh, play for me. I'll hear it.
That like it played the whole way to Florida.
Oh my god.
This is clearly not the right Secret Garden. This is like
my fucking soundtrack was my pops had like a Dominican comedy tape.
Oh, Quincy Jones.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you remember this shit.
Oh yeah. Oh shit.
Ooh, baby, can I touch you there?
So the part where Barry White comes in, because he comes in mad deep.
Yeah.
Watch. I'll take good care of you. So he comes in like that. Every time he came in, my little sister got scared and started crying. So imagine this song just is playing every time on the road trip. Every time he comes on, she starts crying. This was a road trip from hell. Also, my father, the whole time my mother's like, oh, just, find a rest stop or a motel and just pull over for the night. And my father's like, no, we can make it in one shot. But I drove from New York to Florida. Just like drinking mad coffee and shit. Just wild pissed off. I get it now. I get it.
Yeah.
4 kids. Wife was a little naggy.
You know what I'm saying? Now I understand why my dad drove to Florida in his work van instead of our car, like family car.
Right.
Because it had a divider.
Oh.
And he just put it was like a bench seat up front. And he had like my sister and like my little brother up there. And me and my mom was sitting in the back.
Yeah.
I was like, oh, I see.
Yeah, you wanted a little time away.
That's how you gonna do us? Okay. Dad, you just made a hard left and a wrench fell on my head. Thank you. You know what I'm saying? Meanwhile, we were back there in like those plastic lawn chairs. Like, there's not a seat back there. It was just like a big ass empty space with like mad like fucking shelves of like tools,
like just wild,
mad random screws and shit. Like this thing gonna find an AC in the garbage, like take it apart and like take the parts that work and just put them on the shelf.
Oh, who you? I'm sorry. Do you know who you talking to?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm like, yo, damn!
I forgot to mention my father built that car on scraps he found in the garbage. Shit had trash can covers as wheels. Embarrassing.
I'm like, I would like to also.
You ever see someone have to put 2 wires together to get the Easy Pass to work?
Also, he made a divider himself. Like he knew what he was doing. Like that shit had air holes. Like it wasn't even glass.
Oh man. No, take your kids to Wet and Wild.
Wet and Wild?
Wet and Wild, Florida is great because there's something called Lazy River.
Oh, the Lazy River's lit.
Lazy River's lit. Only problem with Wet and Wild and basically any amusement park in Florida is they close every hour because of thunderstorms. But
oh yeah, that sucks.
Because the whole you'll die from lightning.
Oh.
And I remember I was like lightning, whatever, and then like 5 people died one day. It wasn't the park we were at, but it was on the news.
Yeah, no, that shit is real. It's funny because like, damn, bro. Continuing the war on Judy.
Oh Lord. He's Mero. She's Judy. They hate each other. other when they see each other at synagogue. It's on. Mero and Judy were filmed live in front of a studio audience.
No Semites were harmed in the filming of this program. Yo, she wanted to go kayaking every fucking day. Every fucking day she wanted to go kayaking, B. Every fucking day. And we get to the natural park or whatever. By the way, this is West Palm Beach, so I'm sure you're familiar with
Holla, West Palm Beach, where there's gated communities and trailer parks on that same block.
You know what I'm saying? So we go to the the Sea Turtle Park or whatever the fuck, like the Nature Conservancy, whatever, and you could kayak and like do nature shit. So she's like, yo, every fucking day. Hey, good morning. We're going got your life vest? We're going kayaking. I'm like, just fuck.
Wait, so you all had to go?
We all had to go, fam.
Because we came as a family?
We came as a fucking family.
We're doing things as a family.
We're doing things as a family, but it's 7 a.m.
It's Mero and Judy kayaking with turtles in Florida. You owe me 20K.
Yo, and it's funny because she's like, I feel like at a certain point she was like, oh shit, these motherfuckers got 4 kids. Like, I actually feel bad for you.
Yeah.
Because she comes and goes, you know what I'm saying? But we haven't spent extended time like in one crib together. Like that.
Yeah.
So it's her condo in West Palm Beach. So it's like we went and stayed there, her condo, and she was like, oh shit, like, oh, I get it now. You know what I'm saying? Like, okay, like you got 4 kids and this shit is rough. So like as I'm like an olive branch to me, I guess, she came back with a sub from Publix.
I thought you were gonna say like she came back with like a blunt or something.
No, a fucking Publix sandwich. And I was like, wow. I was like that reluctant, like that, you know what I'm saying? Like that, just like, yeah, like,
okay.
Yeah, all right, thank you. And then I bit into the shit. I was like, this shit is wheat bread. I do that shit. I was like, fuck, you fucking.
You do that shit on the ground.
Yo.
But I heard Publix has really good sandwiches.
They're slamming.
I heard they're really good.
They are slamming. Just don't get the wheat roll.
Was that the beef?
It's the wheat hero. B was warm dry.
So she extended the olive, but she still fucked you.
She still fucked me over.
She was like, I got him.
Got you.
Got him.
And then, shout out to Shari and the Jewish Guild. She hit me with the fucking. I have the sandwich. So meanwhile, I'm down at the pool with 3 kids, trying to prevent 3 kids from drowning. She comes down. She's like, "You're not gonna finish your sandwich? You're not. You gotta eat. You're not gonna finish this shit." It's like I went out of my way to get that sandwich for you.
She be on you, boy.
I'm like, yo, this ain't the time. Swim wings are not real flotation devices.
It's a full sandwich.
It says, do not use this as a real flotation. I gotta keep an eye on these kids, Judy.
You know what?
I gotta keep an eye on these motherfucking kids.
Maybe this
you
space
want to go
is a fridge
kayaking
for
every
it.
morning.
You know what? I'm gonna take it down. Maybe someone in the Salvation Army wants it. Because you clearly don't want it.
Okay, sorry. I'm sorry. God damn.
I mean, it's a.
I'm sorry. I used the.
It's a foot long and 1, 2, 3, 4. At least 75%. It just seems like a waste.
Yeah, it is a waste.
Do you happen to have the plastic?
I told you.
Do you have the plastic it was wrapped in? Maybe someone else will appreciate it since you don't. Since I don't know. I guess sandwiches just grow on trees. You just get a sandwich anyway.
Wow.
You know, you come to Florida.
Wow.
I get you a Publix sandwich.
Wow.
And
Wow,
you basically take it and throw it in my face and take a shit on it
Heather,
and spit on me.
Your mother, I'm going to drown your mother in the pool if you do not respond immediately. Respond. Come downstairs right now.
Hell, hi, grandchildren. Have you seen your father? Maybe he's wasting sandwiches somewhere else.
I was just like, at a certain point, you know how those condos be.
I know how they be.
You know what I'm saying? So it's like this whatever estates, whatever, and then this whatever. Mm-hmm. So they're doing construction on the one that we're staying in. Yeah. So it's like, yo, you can't use the pool from certain time to certain time, but the condos next door, like, they allow us access to their pool or whatever. She's like, it's my condo. Using my pool. I don't care. She goes downstairs and just goes lay shit out.
Wow.
And then I'm there You know,
Yep.
the tanner of the bunch, and the fucking lady, the condo lady, comes up to me,
Of course.
and she's like, "Yo, you can't be here." I was
Judy
just like,
set you up.
I'm like, "Yo, wow,
Judy set you up.
set me up for this shit.
Got him.
You set me up for this shit, yo."
Judy playing wilding out with you. Wild it.
Yo. She's like, "You got us kicked out of the fucking pool."
It's Mero
Yeah,
and Judy.
because you had to turn on the fucking grill. I told you no grilling. It says that the grilling hours are clearly stated on the grill.
Clearly. You know how we do the interviews in this? You know who the next guest for the interview series is, right? I don't know if you want to sit in on it, but I got some questions Bodega Hive needs to ask our queen. We stand a Jewish queen. We stand Queen Judy.
She prefers the term king.
Let's go.
Yo, dead ass.
I know.
Like she has a king and queen placemats for her, and shout out to Claudia. Big up Claudia.
Fam, I met her. Okay? I met her and I was like, yo, I fuck with them LL Bean boots. No, I know what it is.
Yo, those barbecues. Yo, I think I got me had uninvited to her barbecues.
Really? Really? Tell me more. Because I'm sure Judy's telling the same story to someone right now.
Like the Venn diagram, like Jewish, lesbian, alcoholics, like barbecue. Like
I'm pretty sure that's a porn I watched.
Jewish, lesbian, alcoholic barbecue. Every summer, B. Every summer, and niggas will come through, and I'm the only dude there. Like, and it's just like mad Katie Lang, mad Ani DeFranco on repeat. I fuck around and come through and throw on computers. Everyone's like, what is this? Put KD back on.
I'm jumping over cars when I shoot. I feel like I'm Tom Cruise. I'm too close.
But bitch, I'm Mero. I'm a Jew. Yo, fam, it was wild. And then one year it was just like, yo. I was like, yo, what's up with that barbecue that your mom be doing? And Heather's just like,
Who, if we were to do a sketch for this, who would you have play Judy?
Joy Behar.
Perfect. Perfect.
She's the one from The View, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Mero.
Yeah. 1000%. Her or is Judy? Is it Judy Green? They have the same fucking name.
Judy Green.
Yeah, she's like a stand-up comedian. Yo.
Oh, from Curb Your Enthusiasm. That way.
Oh no. Because she doesn't. You know what? She would be Susie Essman if she used profanity, but she doesn't use profanity.
Oh, I don't.
Yeah.
I don't know who Judy Green is.
She's
but
just
also,
like a random
that's the name
comic.
of like 90 fucking
Jewish women
on the Upper East Side right here. It's like they're like, oh, which Dr. Judy Green do you want? I'm like,
since we're just shouting out Jewish women and empowering Jewish women, shout out to Dr. Ivis Getz, the best pediatric dentist in
that's way too specific.
Yonkers.
That's hashtag ad, hashtag sponsored. What the fuck? Who was that? You didn't check in with me. I'm not getting a percentage for that. You're shifting the demo.
Yo,
Now they're gonna be like, yeah, listener for pediatric dentists.
Yo.
Also, you're a good parent because like my parents would be like, why am I gonna get teeth repaired that are gonna fall out? You'll be alright. Those are starter teeth.
Yo, I literally said that shit the other day. And Heather was incensed. I was like, yo, who cares? She was like, you just brush his teeth. Why would you give him chocolate milk? He's going to bed. That's bad for his teeth. I was like, who cares?
Even I know that. Come on.
I was like, yo, they're going to fall out in like 6 months. Like, do you give a shit? Do you really give a shit? These are baby teeth. They are supposed to fall out.
Baby teeth, baby teeth, get bottle rock, bottle rock,
Bottle rot.
Bottle
rot is serious.
Fam, I went to the dentist once and I had bottle rot as a grown ass man.
Are you serious?
And this was like when I was
How?
popped and I had to go to NYU Dental Clinic. Boom, boom, boom.
So then
Updates on my Listen, me and my teeth have been at war for years, so I go
I mean, going back to our West Indian roots.
Yeah.
That's the thing. You put a baby to bed with a bottle. Like,
Yeah,
yo, here,
yeah.
boom, go to sleep, nigga.
So like I go to the dentist because like my teeth feel weird and like they're super sensitive or whatever, and it's a teaching clinic. So like the student, because the professor was like, "Yo, look at this." He goes, "Students, come over here," and then you never want to hear that shit when you're at a teaching college. I'm like, whoa. Why is everyone looking at me? And he's like moving my mouth around with his thing. He's like, "Look at this. What is this? What do you?" And everyone's like, "That can't be." In a grown adult?
No way.
I'm like, what's going? What do I got? Do I got like gingivitis? I got like baby teeth?
What?
They're like, sir, do you suck on a bottle? I was like, that's like a Heineken bottle, but not like a like a milk bottle. They was like, you have bottle rot.
To this
I was like, what do you mean I have bottle rot? They was like, yeah, you have bottle rot. Like you're letting you're sleeping at night and you're letting some sort of fluid collect on the corners of your mouth like a baby sucking on a bottle. And it was like, they don't understand how that could possibly happen. And I was like, that's crazy. Like, that don't make any sense. As they saying that, I go in my pocket, I take out an Altoid, and I put it in. The way I used to suck on Altoids is I would put them directly against my tooth on the side of my mouth. And he was like, "That the Altoids are wearing away your teeth. So don't fuck with Altoids. And don't give blowjobs with Altoids."
It's Babylon
like,
thing. Yeah.
Come on, we're not in high school.
Don't listen to Cosmo, B.
Come on, man.
Cosmo just gotta fit. They gotta come out with something every month.
Yeah.
There's only so many ways to suck a dick. You know what I'm saying? Like, you can't. Don't get creative with this shit.
All right, this is another scene from Green Book. hey. Come on, Mero, tell us. Finish your TED talk. How many ways do you suck a dick?
There's only one way to suck a dick. Put it in your mouth. That's it.
This is that Tootsie Pop commercial. Hey, Mr. Owl, how do you suck a dick? 1 lick, 2 licks, crack. How do you get to the center of a Dickolo Pop?
Yo, I'm saying like, people really be doing the fucking sex tips from Cosmo. Be like, like this shit is useless.
But because
I don't want a grape in my butt before you blow me. Like that doesn't bring me any pleasure.
Our society is so repressed, and we value violence over seeing sex. People don't really think about it. Your parents never taught you how to have sex.
Oh, that's
they kind of tell you like, your parents, they treated sex like an IKEA cabinet. They was like, yo, there's the pieces.
You figure it out.
You figure that shit out, all right?
No,
your father never was like, yo, to really please a woman, all right? You know, use the metaphor of the ocean waves.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Yeah. But, or the daggering. But, so, and then you don't really be talking to your friends about sex. Like,
yeah, no, you just act like you act like you know.
Like, you just act like everything's good.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? I smashed that pussy, you know what I'm saying? Word? Yeah, nigga, I hit that shit fucking.
Yeah.
Fucking tiger style. You know what I'm saying? That's when you like take. That's when you like really smashing it.
Because like as a kid, I didn't know like sex meant actual penetration. I thought it was just like rubbing on each other. Because you know when you're a kid, you're dumb. Yeah. But then I found my father was like, he had like a Jamaican porno tape. Nigga. First of all, like I was like, these people look local. I think that's Auntie Teresa. But I watched that shit, and first of all, to this day I remember to this day I remember the setup for this porno, and it was like first, you know those low budget pornos, and they tried to make like some shit, but there's no exterior scenes. Everything takes place in like the one room, so she starts on the bed. So it's like she's sitting on the bed, pretending to be on the phone. The husband walks in with her purse and opens it and pulls out a vibrator and goes, "What is this? I can't satisfy you." And she goes, "Oh, that's not mine. That's not mine." And he goes, "I'll show you." And he starts like kissing on her neck, and then they have sex. He doesn't eat the choach though.
Oh wow! Yo,
they were like, "This is Jamaican porn. What do you think?"
Oh, fuck you think, dog?
Eating choach? Not
to this day.
Yo, oh my god! My intro to porn was kind of the same, but like my dad had Pinot, but like it wasn't like Dominican Pinot. It was just like. I guess like American Pinot that like was a tape that got handed around. It was a VHS tape. You know how they used to have like the 6 hour, 8 hour, whatever.
SP, EP, LP.
Yeah. It was one of those, and it said like just like WrestleMania on the front, and I was just written in pen, and I was just like, my dad don't watch no fucking wrestling. I was like, what the fuck is this? I popped that shit in, nigga. Isis Nile.
Woo.
Yeah.
Ooh, throwback.
Yeah. I was like, woo.
Nothing but respect for our troops.
Yo, shout out to Isis Nile, yo. I hope you're doing well. You know what I'm saying?
Isis Nile.
Yeah, what's up with her?
My father, oh man. If you stop and think about it, like if your parents have
the dick has to go into the. Oh,
yeah.
Okay.
Listen, as they say, as a nursery rhyme goes, pussy and cocky makes a perfect team.
Yeah, that's right.
But if you think about all the VHS tapes that your parents had, and as a kid, you just whatever was written on the side, you took that verbatim. That's what it was.
That's what it was.
You don't know. I'm like, why does my father got a copy of Gandhi? That shit wasn't Gandhi.
This shit wasn't Gandhi.
That shit was probably something like Arabian Nights 4. You Nasty. Also, shout out to them. Shout out to our parents being like the actual scumbags. Like, I have to go to a store to get porn.
To get porn, yeah.
I gotta rent this shit, walk up to a counter, look someone in the face like, yo, hold on, where's my membership card?
Yo, shout out to Popcorn Video on East Tremont, B.
Popcorn Video? Did they have regular videos in the front and then the Pinot in the back?
Pinot in the back.
Yeah.
They had all the regular videos, boom, right? And then the cash registers right here.
Mm-hmm.
That was like not Sun's Kitchen, like some Chinese place, takeout place. But yo, it was like you walk in and the register's right here. 2 aisles of like, fucking True Lies, fucking Terminator, whatever. And then you make a right at the end of the aisle, and it's like pink lights, like a little neon pink strip light or whatever, and like a beaded curtain, and you go in there, and it was always just like one like dirtbag looking motherfucker with like Coke bottle glasses, like just looking at the Pinot, like reading the back and shit. I'm just like, ew. You reading the Pinot synopsis, nigga?
Yeah, nasty.
With no shame.
I was like, yo, because they sell like poppers.
Yeah.
Like poppers and shit to make your butthole expand, whatever, relax your muscles, make you feel warm.
Yeah.
But they used to call it VHS head cleaner. And I was like, wow, all these niggas got dirty VCRs? I was like, oh, y'all, like, no one was like, yo, y'all niggas is sniffing them. Niggas is really,
Head cleaner.
Listen.
Life was different. Life was different back then.
Life was different back then, but we live in now. Shout out to Milk, shout out to the Jam Room, shout out to Cash App, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to Showtime. Remember, new show coming February 21st, 11 p.m.
Right.
Thursday, only on Showtime. Be sure to subscribe and follow the Showtime accounts on Twitter, on Tumblr, on Facebook, on Instagram, on Grindr, on Tinder, everything, yo. You know what I'm saying? We out here. Been episode 146.
Out here.
You know what I'm saying? Giving it to y'all, giving it to the people. I hear someone's illegal podcast bleeding into the feed.
Oh shit. Pick that back.
He's like, he just signed to Gimlet Media. He's like, I don't need this shit. Look, I just monetize my own podcast. Fuck y'all. Out of here. Yo, he gonna be on Pod Save America next week.
What the fuck? Oh.
Hey, we're here with Obama. Episode 146 is your boy Jesus Nice, aka Young Chipotle, aka Pockets Fat like Terrio, aka Pockets Stay Fat like. Woo. Here we go, yay! Still keeping it. Chris Stats for a sling. Dak.
You know what I'm saying?
Eli Litby, Butcher Booty Gully, Slow Bit I know you, but Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nanas with around the middle of us, Mikel going off the Juve boss, MC Luka Gunga putting up for 40 with your shorty, aka Don't Talk to Me in the Uber pool, because
I don't know you and I never will.
To this day.
the original my plus one God, plus one, so don't make a fuss, son. Jesus Rossi and the Jamaican Jew. Hey, after Temple, maybe you come with me. Me and Judy, we'd jump in Mero. Jerry and avocado toast. Young Pod, the Mufasa. Young Kakuni without the Coonery. Hey, who wants to go kayaking? AKA Chili Lamone, left-handed reliever for the Yankees. K-Lo K. Two Phone Jones. Jesus Ek Machina. Jay Chuckle, Stanley Cups, the Human Dr. Bonner's label. Dilute. Leonardo DiCaprio. Mr. 240p because I Capino Blurry. DJ Woolite, AKA listening to Wash FM. Up next, we got 5 hours of.
Oh my God.
Y'all know. Yeah.
Oh. Major figures.
Oh, I need my Philly people to stand up.
Oh yeah, Philly stand up. What's up?
This is a Neptune's beat, right?
I think so.
Yeah, that's us. Wow, they shot this shit.
Steve Francis?
Yo, they shot this. Yeah. Yeah, they shot this video in like the lobby of Ramada. This shit is like mad low budget. They probably was really selling drugs for
In the
real.
lobby of Ramada. Yeah, that's us.
One of them really got killed though, so you gotta respect it.
Yikes, R.I.P.
All right, you know. Damn.
Was it Dutch or Spade?
I don't know. I gotta Google. I'm kind of lazy. The Curry Goat, Jesus Spicer, Jamal Hasper, Bronx and beyond. My heart will go on. Rare Nephew's nephew, the Moreno, you cannot contain her. Did you know Shaka Khan and Michael McDonald are going on tour? We're going.
I gotta go to that fucking tour.
The Moreno, you can't contain. The human meme word to Ja. Young Aaron, the racist provocateur, Henrik Bud, Nelson Mandela, surgery, can't see me. Vladimir Boof in the human world is melting in your mouth. Mr. Bex on Deckinton, Mr. Kiki Suave, Greg Popovich, more says with Chestnut, Mahatma Gandhi, not Maccabee, but I got that cucumber.
Yeah.
The juice of press, but your boy never is. I am the art, damn it. The Dundada Ganoush, no more cup of noodles. The Prince of Peckham, the Fashion Nova Casanova. If you make sense, 5 cents, $10. Forget the small change, give me.
What?
Big money.
Big money, big money.
The only anthem I salute is Dipset.
That's right.
Because I'm a sovereign citizen.
You know what I'm saying?
Mr. Saga catch me at square one top left. Men's is Marv.
Yo.
Chill result, holy cow. Mr. Soft Punch, all I do is count checks and jerk off. We got OJ, Purple Stuff for Soda, and it's me, Sunny D. Don't drink me, I'll give you cancer. David Yerman. These expensive, these are bloody shoes. Smoking Noah, Andrew, Coon, and look at my cool red leather outfit. AKA the Junior Energy God Junior. Come sit down, palm me, charge.
Sip on it.
None of that fussy wireless charging. Call me Petco because I got your bitch on freeze. The topic of gossip is Sayasa. Shout out to the 11791. We fucking run Long Island, bro. You know what I'm saying?
Bro.
Okay, anyone sells a nickel bag on the LIWR, you gotta talk to Ronnie.
That's right.
AKA Grandpa Joe, because when I see Charlie, you see me. Don't touch that golden ticket on my cat. Cut you.
Fuck out of here.
All right? Throw some toxins at you from his kitty box. Your man Dead-Eye Jesus. Morning, Sheriff.
Hey.
You mind if I steal a crock pot?
Hey.
Yeah, it's hard to steal a crock pot. It's pretty big.
It's just big. And then
Also,
and then-
you're going to use it like 3 times.
Yeah, and
Like,
then you got the cord. If they don't have the cord wrap on the bottom, don't buy it. Don't buy it.
and then if you like take it out the box and you left the manual, now you fucked. Mr. Chaplin has reasons, but bad breezes like I'm easy, please believe me. The black Asian addict will crack your back like an automatic craftmatic. Mr. La Marina, Mesh Marina with a fresh misdemeanor and a cold demeanor. The sheep mask killer. No, it would be illa. AKA problematic bae. I saw something on Netflix that says don't brush your teeth because it gives you herpes, so keep the yuck mouth. Mwah. Yeah.
Kiss.
And if your boo kisses you in the morning before you brush your teeth, they really love you.
Straight up. You know what I'm saying? That's true. Also, if you have intercourse in the morning without bathing, that shows true commitment.
No, that just means you're with a white person.
Hey, it's your fucking boy, the
It's your boy.
aka the Humidor, aka Donovan McDab, aka Curve Gotti, aka Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Loader, jump the curb, hit your fucking pit bull mix. You know what I'm saying? I don't give a fuck.
Oh my God, he hit my John McCain.
Yeah, I don't care. Call Peter, nigga. I don't care.
Also,
AKA
white people name their dogs after presidents.
They do.
They do.
They do. They do. My
And not presidents and war heroes and politicians.
Yeah, that's true.
It's true.
Yeah. My neighbor's dog is named Gorbachev, aka CC Bathia, aka no need to check the guest list, motherfucker. I am the guest list. You know what I'm saying? What the fuck is the genie's name in fucking Pee Wee's Playhouse? Nigga, that was me.
Zombie.
I was Zombie. Nigga.
Mecca like a high, Mecca high ho. What? Mecca like a high, Mecca high ho.
You know what I'm saying?
Who played Zombie?
Me.
Oh, that's
You know
right.
what I'm saying?
Okay.
That's right.
Yeah.
So don't check the motherfucking guests are stupid. AKA get into this money in this schmuck because your boy gonna smack. AKA, you know what I'm saying? I got my kids in La Masia. You know what I'm saying? I got my daughter throwing mad Sweet 16s, nigga. I'm a Toys R Us nigga. I bought Toys R Us just to reopen it just so my kids could buy toys, nigga. You know what I'm saying?
That's a flex.
That's a wild flex, nigga.
It's a wild flex.
Publicly traded, nigga. IPO this shit. I don't even know what this acronyms mean, but I'm using them. AKA, Bitch Smack BL boy. AKA, yeah, yo, man.
Smack.
AKA, dick in your baby, but you know, come on, this pussy no more. This pussy belong to me, motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? Sorry. It's a good thing you got it. Sturdy
Protect the
computer
cover.
guard.
Yeah.
Protect the cover. It's
Gotcha,
good. You know what I'm
gotcha.
saying? AKA David Trisdale. You know what I'm saying? I'll take that for data. God damn, Dennis Simmons Jr. could fucking play basketball.
He sure can.
He sure can. Goddamn. AKA Barlow Santana, so smooth. I fall asleep in the wheel and crash the zip car. I don't care, nigga, because it wasn't my account. AKA Dominican Don Dada Daddy, nigga. You know what I'm saying? AKA swipe my card again. There's definitely money on it. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Respect me. You know what I'm saying? Don't make me embarrass you thoroughly when your fucking management comes up here and it's like, Jeremy, do you know who that is? They were on a Super Bowl
Jeremy
commercial.
again?
Yeah, it's fucking Jeremy. Got beef with everybody with name start with J.
Narrator's voice.
You know what I'm saying?
10 minutes before Mero walked in.
Hey, my friend Judy, she said if you give this Mero kid a hard time, maybe she makes it worthwhile.
I knew it.
Jeremy and Judy are colluded. Jeremy's got a Jewish mother-in-law.
Jeremy, oh hell, oh, Jeremy's kosher. Okay, Romeo Santos, so Zanny. Let me find out. And also Blackout. You know what I'm saying? Catch me with my Chelsea boots at United Palace, nigga. You need some fat girl's butt. I don't care.
Don't give a fuck. Nasty like that.
Nasty, stupid.
Straight up.
Okay, lighten up, Dutchie. Hello? Is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes that you're broken, sing high five.
Hit them notes.
Oh, woo, woo. Hasan got an auto-tune shit out of that shit, boy.
Wow. You know what? Niggas told me Whitney Houston died, but she right here.
Bow, holla.
Go ahead, Nipsey.
Pipes is gold.
I believe the future on the future. Whoa, whoa.
Hey.
Nasty.
That's nasty
right.
on this side, boy.
That's right. No, but Sushi Boys over here. Yeah.
We out here. AK Tom Brady, girl got my balls deflated slightly. You know what I'm saying? Because she didn't bring me to full climax. You know what I'm saying? AKA feel the ass Tyson consensually. You know what I'm saying? AKA a little
climax. That's such a disgusting word.
Yeah, climax.
It's such a disgusting word. But it's also a beautiful song by one U.S.H.E. You are. This shit right here. You be fighting with your girl, you just could come out, you be like, oh. You be thinking about breaking up, and you
like,
he come through like. We've reached the climax. Usher got bops.
Yeah, Usher got.
You know what?
Usher got bops.
Usher got done dirty with the herpes.
Yeah, we
Usher Hive over here.
Usher gang.
Usher gang. Usher gang. Act like you didn't slide in some Heelys till you don't got a call.
Exactly.
Like he didn't kill the fucking Icebox.
Exactly.
The Icebox remix.
Exactly.
Love in this club.
Act like you wasn't doing the thunderclap. Like
Act like it.
Yeah.
Act like it. Yeah. Thank you, Usher, for your service.
Yeah.
Usher has done more for this country than the troops.
You know what I'm saying?
Now continue the AKs.
It's 7:00
on the dot.
I'm in my drop top.
Cruising the streets.
You know what I'm saying?
I got a real pretty bitty on the stand for me. I pull up.
Anticipating. Scroll don't keep me waiting.
I got plans to put my hands in places y'all never see, and you know what I mean.
I'm like, damn, what the
fuck you gonna do, nigga?
I'm like, you a virgin, nigga?
No, he said hands in places you never seen. Like he gonna put his thumb in her butt.
Oh shit, I'm gonna put my thumb in the
butt.
He
might put his elbow in that shit. Like that's an aggressive text message.
Nigga, Vince Carter dunked in the asshole. I'm gonna cut a dunk in the asshole.
Nigga do the baby shark like.
Nigga said it's over. It's over. AKA Little Snoozy Vert. You know what I'm saying? You want to see quality content? Watch your boy fall asleep on Instagram Live. You know what I'm saying? Listening to SoundCloud rap.
We're gonna make that like we're gonna pixelate it and then have to do a microtransaction to unlock it. They're like, this nigga sleeping.
This nigga sleep.
Unlock that shit. But we're gonna make it like Fortnite and have you sleep. We'll paint your face different for different nights and shit.
Different skins.
Just have you fall asleep. You're gonna fall asleep as Cupid for Valentine's Day.
Just let niggas pick the filters while I sleep and shit. Like, yo,
like mad hearts and shit on your face.
Mad arrows. Yo, I'm a cat now. Bishop Macau. Moo. AKA final mess MVP of gelato. You know what I'm saying? AKA Zanny, who bet if y'all. Now you gotta get some sticks. You gotta get some sticks. You know what I'm saying? AKA Joe Hookah. I dare you to smuggle me.
Where?
At Mama Sushi. You know what I'm saying? It gotta be the one on Dykeman, bro. Gotta be the one on Dykeman. Hasan, tell him. Shit is official. It's not official if it's not uptown, B. I'm telling you. AKA Ben Boston. My hands are gifted.
Dump.
We did 2 podcasts in one day, and since you cowards only want one set of AKAs, I only came through with one set of AKAs. So enjoy this phoned in Ben Boston, AKA you coward piece of garbage. Maybe I should surgically attach more respect to my name so that I may come in with more AKAs, you coward. Now get out of my OR. Scrub out, you scrub. Fucking garbage. Hey, can I open your Madison cabinet because you know who the fuck it is, boy. It's the Zen Man. I eat 3 bars and pass out on a plane in Miami. Flight's only an hour long. AKA Rico Sabroso, AKA Lucius lying ass nigga, man. Listen, dog. Come on, man. Empire's coming back. We're still doing numbers, baby. Come on now. Don't cancel the show, man. Come on now. We don't gotta do no publicity stunts, nothing like that. Come on. Cookie. I don't know what else to say. God damn it. Fuck this shit. I'm out of here.
Sponsored by Smartwater.
AKA Baby Newport, you know what I'm saying? 2-5 niggas got garbage down the way. AKA Nino Brown, shut the Carter down. AKA live from 176 in Jerome with Doodoo in his butt nodding out. It's the East Tremont Stevie B doing his greatest hits like I Wanna Be the One Your TT is Sucking and Stokes and Gloves. don't let me leave. Yeah, I love you. I love you all. Thank you.
Steve, get the fuck out of here.
Yeah? Oh shit. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry, man. What the fuck, bro? Come on, man. Let me. Can I do one more song? Just one.
Just hurry up.
Okay.
The cops come.
All right. Hey, listen, mate. You may have forgotten because we took a week off. But here's a double dose, you cowards. There's only 2 rock stars left, the Bodega Boys, of which I am one. The plantain supernova in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont. Really high, trying to figure out a fucking meme.
Yo, wait. What, you said there was only one rock star left, right? We got a proper rock star coming to the stage now. Give it up for you, Peppa Pig.
Mate.
It's Peppa Pig.
Oh, it's Peppa Pig, mate.
This is my little brother.
It's George,
Give it up for
mate.
Peppa Pig and George.
It's Mommy Pig.
Give it up, Mommy Pig.
Oh, here comes Daddy Pig with the
Daddy
ballad.
Pig. We fuck with Daddy Pig.
Fucking town.
Take it down. Proper style. Yeah, God save the Queen. Mark Baker, yes.
Flames.
Oh
from
my God!
Daddy Pig.
Drop a bomb! Drop a bomb! Oh my God! Oh wow!
My God! It's
Peppa Pig just flamed Coachella.
Oh my God.
I've never seen anything like it.
Daddy Pig with their balls.
Wow.
My God, this is Tim West, and I'm here to
Incredible.
tell you that Mommy Pig has got balls.
Wow.
And she's got a 40-inch weave. So thoughty, baby. So thoughty. Chilling at the crib with a bag of Doritos, waiting for that phone to ring. It's your boy, Barmelo's Anthony. Woo! Oh, damn. That was just a bill collector.
He got Lala back, though, so
Yeah,
he
you know what I'm
good.
saying?
He
We
good.
out here. You know what I'm saying? Listen, if you see me at Target with my eyes redder than the tip of a dog's dick, you know what I'm saying? And I'm just trying almond butter all willy-nilly in the aisle, bruh. Mind your fucking business and approach me like a motherfucking earthside mammal. If you saw a dog or a fucking bear going through your garbage, nigga, you would not approach. So do not approach me, nigga. Because I'm going to react erratically.
And you won't like that.
That's right. Talk to him, you know what I'm saying? Hey kids, it's Benzo the Clown. Benzo! Hire me for your next birthday party. Yeah, hoo-dee-oo. Hey, whoop-de-woo. Hey, you got any clown pins?
Brother, this guy stinks.
Get on my messy closet.
I'm looking for a bandit. I got a boo-boo. Okay, I so fakely into your favorite SoundCloud rapper, dog. At this point, I don't even know what I'm putting in this shit, bro. I don't even know what I'm putting in this shit. I just took this shit off my Swiffer jet, wet jet and put it in with some soda, and now this nigga's drinking it and he's in a booth. So I don't know what the fuck is gonna come of this. Okay? Y por final. Hasan, tírame la pista, coño, que llegó el de FIFA. Oh, loco, yo voy freestyle Acapulco. Nos fuimos a Acapulco.
I know what that means.
A lo loco, a lo foque.
Hold on, wait, everyone, get back. Give him space. Give him space.
Espérate.
Give him space. He about to do a windmill.
Espérate, dame cita algo a ti. Enfócate, mamagüevo. Aquí no se hace coro con rana arrancar. Aquí hay cuarto. Aquí tú estás viendo 2 fundas, mi hermano. Yo bajé con la paca, con la pinta, con la cadena. Luego más cadena, coño, que una fábrica de bicicleta, coño. No me jodas. ¿Tú sabes qué es lo que es conmigo, mamagüevo? ¿Yo sé? Yo estaba ahí cuando inventaron hip hop. Yo estaba ahí con DJ Q-Hurt. O el lindo perico, coño, en el baño. Dale con todo. Llégale a la pinta. Los tenis son italianos, mamagüevo. Mi suegra. Tengo drama con mi suegra. Judía, la tipa judía y mi suegra. Y tengo drama con ella. Llegale al flow. Yeah.
Put that shit down for Jesus Christ.
Me quité. Y oye, si tú vas a mamar sushi y no comes un tolete, te la macaste. Ya.
Rock, Mero, rock, say rock,
Don't stop.
Mero, rock, don't stop in your feeling, don't stop in your You know that song is almost 80 years old now?
Yeah.
Nah, I just made it up.
Feel old yet?
Feel old yet? It's been episode 146. That's
God
right.
Damn,
It was a
double header. Stupid as we wear
doubleheader.
the same outfits.
You could say double header, or if we wanted, if we were classy, we say double header. This was a DP. You got DP.
Yeah, you got
know what I'm saying?
DP,
You got
hold that.
DP in your podcast hole. You know what it is? Bodega Boys in the building. The brand is strong. We about to level up our showtime. Happy
right.
Valentine's Day to all of y'all.
Yo.
I don't know why we keep referencing Valentine's Day because it's going to drop like mad early. But
To
you know
lovers.
what? Enjoy it. And if y'all are sick and nasty and y'all having sex to this podcast, now is the time to come. Good night. We out.
Go.